we're free developers, free full-time developers. We have been working on this for 18 months now. Before that, we were just ETHOS, just making an operating system for Ethereum, and this is our very first hardware device. So the dGEN1 is a hardware wallet that is account abstracted. It's cool because it means you can do multiple transactions in one. If you lose it, you can recover your assets on chain. Not only that, it's actually the first hardware wallet where you can really use dApps. So I can, unlock it with my fingerprint. I can actually open apps like Aave on this device and start making transactions on the go. Yeah. So for us, really, it's about now fixing bugs and unifying the experience into the best crypto experience on the go. So what that means is, for example, if you do a transaction somewhere, it instantly reflects on all the other apps, and all of this knowledge is essentially shared across, which is something we can do. We just have to do it. And so for future software updates, it's about bug fixes, and then new features. For us, a super important part of crypto is also in real life crypto. So I have some assets on here. I want to be able to go in real life and pay for things in real life with my crypto.